Welcome to the 166th episode of Lalitha Sahasranam Stotra. Let's analyze some of the peace deals that has taken place in this world. For instance, the famous ongoing Middle East crisis, the Palestinian and Israeli crisis. There are quite a few occasions when both the parties, they have come onto the table to clinch a deal, and then it fell apart. In 90s, the Oslo deal and the 2000 Camp Davis deals both happened with the help of the then US President Bill Clinton between Yasser Arafat on Palestinian side and Israeli prime ministers. And it fell apart, and similar thing happened to the famous Agra deal between India and Pakistan, Musharraf, and the then Prime Minister of India, Mr. Vajpayee. So what exactly happens? How exactly this deals are falling apart? When both the parties come onto the table, agree to come onto the table, it was their power of intent or sankalpa bala, which was they draw this sankalpa bala pretty much unconditionally. So let's get over with it. So with that intention, unconditionally, they agree to come onto the table, and when the process of deal happens, it gets conditionalized. Many a times we hear that we are not happy with the terms and conditions of the deal, so that's why we are not signing it. So it is a kind of a conditionalized a process, and they turn conditional from unconditionality. They turn conditional, and it doesn't fit in. The sankalpa bala or power of intent becomes weaker because of the conditionalized mindset, and hence the external actions prompts them not to sign the deal. So in this context, the manifestation of the problem is the mismatch in which they are operating, but there's nothing like a problem as such. When they are unconditional and they agree to come onto the table, with the intention, let's get over with it. If they pursue in the same intention mindset, so no big deal. What is the big deal? Let me sign it. And if the both parties are so unconditional, then there's nothing to worry about. But in the process of all that, the ongoing thing, the deal, the peacemaking, or so to speak, the peace process, they turn conditional, and it doesn't fit in their mindset, and the deal is broken off. Therefore, the unconditionality is the power of intent, which is internal. The conditionality is an external manifestation. So the power of unconditionality is much higher compared to the power of conditionality. And the nourishment given to the power of conditionality is the essence of Lalitha Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. So let us move on. Next Nama is Viswasakshini, Universal Mother being a witness to the act of nourishment performed in Sadhya Prasadini. The seventh generation woman in Kalyana became pregnant in witness mode. The same witness mode delivered a baby. Again, provided nourishment with unconditional compassion. As a witness, what is the origin of the potency or sara or breast nourishment? How did the nourishment originate? How did this nourishment originate? The Sattva-guna present in Sushumna Nadi intrinsically has the unified energy form of Universal Mother and Universal Father. Previously, through the Nama Kameswara Prananadi Krutagna Kama Pujita, the entire body is filled with Sambhavi energy as a result of training imparted by Panchabrahma. Therefore, their signature, meaning the unified energy form of Kameswara and Vishwamata, the energy of Panchabrahma, constituted the basic ingredient of breast nourishment. The unconditional cosmic energy in the universe transformed as breast nourishment, and that is unadulterated. Therefore, who was the real mother that provided nourishment to Hiranyagarbha, the seventh generation human? It is none other than Universal Mother, hence the Nama Viswasakshini. The universal cosmic energy being administered as breast nourishment, Universal Mother is a witness to this event. Why Kameswara or Universal Father is not mentioned as a witness to this event? Through the Nama Kameswara Prananadi, the unified energy of Universal Parents or Kameswara and Vishwamata filled the entire body. The energy form of Kameswara was involved in gathering the right ingredients of this universe energy and along with the Panchabrahmas transferring this energy to the breast. Hence the Universal Mother assumed the role of witness to this breastfeeding act. That means Universal Father is busy collecting or accumulating the energy or transferring the energy to the newborn baby. So since he is busy with this activity, he cannot be the witness to this event. Based on the power of intent or sankalpa of the baby, he may draw more or he may draw less nourishment. So the Universal Father or Kameswara has to be alert to provide that nourishment. So he is busy in that activity. Hence, Universal Mother is the witness to this event. Next Nama is Sakshivarjita, being beyond Srishti and Laya, or the origin and termination, and able to nourish both the extremum. The new entrant, seventh generation in Kalyana, was being nourished by none other than Universal Mother. Universal Mother represents all the forces of witness mode operators within the body. Who are these witness mode operators? The 7 divine mothers are Saptamatruka, 7 sages are Saptarshi, 7 planets, Panchabrahma, the southbound forces, Kameswara, all these entities volunteer to serve the newborn baby who lack the discretion ability. The faculty of discretion of Hiranyagarbha is not fully functional yet. Therefore, the combined force of witness elements offer their service towards nourishment of the baby. Since all these witness operators are busy in transferring the nourishment, they are not able to witness the nourishment. The baby's discretion is not fully functional, and hence baby's faculty is not in a position to witness the nourishment either. So the baby is also not a witness to this event of nourishment. He is a party to the event but not a witness. So the entity beyond this is one entity beyond this is the witness to this nourishment process, and that entity is none other than Universal Mother. Through this Nama, Sakshi Varjita Satodari re-enters planet Earth. With this Nama, this sloka is completed. Sadhya Prasadini Viswasakshini Sakshi Varjita. What does it mean? We will come to know in the next episode. Thank you.